Morning guys, in front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and let me show you how to boot developer options. First of all, open the settings, then find and select About Phone and tap 7 times on New Version. As you can see, after that you're a developer, so let me go back. Now you can find the developer options under Additional Settings. Here, go a bit lower, and as you can see, developer options appeared right here. Click to open. Now manage them however you like, use whichever feature you like. Activate it and deactivate it in pretty simple way because all of them works just with the toggle. And then whenever you want to turn developer panel off, just unmark the stop switcher and then restart your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.